Sir, kung 13.8 billion years old na ang universe, paano nasabi ng ibang resources na 46 billion light years na ang layo ng observable universe?
Yung 46 billion light years na yon, that's the radius. So yung size ng observable universe is, if it's you're thinking of the diameter, that's twice of that, diba? So 92, right? So bakit 46? Di ba 13.8 billion years old ng universe? The answer is because of the expansion of the universe. So if something is 13.8 billion light years away, tapos because of the speed of light, nakarating sa atin after 13.8 billion years, yung point na yun na pinanggalingan after 13.8 billion years will already be at 46 billion light years away, because the universe itself is already expanding, so the point has already moved. That piece of light na nakita natin na galing sa edge of the universe that went away at 13.8 billion years ago, is already right now at 46 billion light years away.
Para sa mga dagdag na video tulad nito, i-like at i-follow kami sa Spacetime Events and Exhibits.